Okay, so this is my Stok Quattro, something like that, grill, and they have a 10-year warranty on burners. So I called them up and said, hey, I got some tubes and they're kind of blown out, and let me see if maybe I can find my, there we go, there's the worst one right there. So they said, yep, sure enough, and so they sent me some igniters also. So, because they said it would be hard pressed to reuse these. So there's my 4 burnt tubes, and I just installed my 4 new tubes with new igniters that you can see. And here's the leads on the other side. So it's a little not complicated, but it's more complicated than I think it needs to be. So you have to take off the 4 sides, the 4 screws on the side here for the shelf. And you have to do that on each side because the control section that goes on the front here and the tube here that will ultimately connect to each burner tube, you have to remove all that because the tubes have to be pulled out in this direction and then fed back through. There's no other way to get them out. So just a couple things right off the bat is the screws for the igniters, you're gonna need some new ones. So I'll tell you right now, they're M4s. So just go to your hardware store and get yourself some M4s. I think these are M4 by 10s. And they'll fit right in there. And so I can just quickly show you again. Feed the igniter in, and then feed the tube in, and rest it on there. Second thing, all the little posts that hold them on have all rotted away. I'm gonna leave it. I'm just gonna set mine there. I'm not gonna. I have these little dividers on here. Spacers are not going to do nothing because there's nothing to rest them on. If I have to take it apart again and drill them out and put an M4 screw in there, I can. And let me see any other things before I get this reassembled. I think that's it.